Hi guys, since today is a nice day out, decided to get the Cruze out and put back on the summer tires, get those nice rims on, get the winter steelies off. So that's the plan today. We're gonna take it to my dad's house, get her on the lift, we'll get the winter tires off, put on the nice rims, and then I'll show you guys you know what it looks like after everything's done. Here's what the car's looking like right now. Got this ugly rusty with winter rims on. Obviously, you want to have these on for the winter because you don't really care about them, as you can see. You just let the salt eat at them, whatever. The cheap rims and that. The car still looks nice, but when we put on the nice summer tires, man, it looks so much better. So right now I'm gonna load up the summer tires into the car right now, and then we'll drive on over and get them installed. Wow, they're dirty. All loaded up, ready to get them changed. Feels good to have the summer rims back on. They look much better. Obviously they're dirty right now. I'm about to go clean them. But here's what they're looking like. I love these rims, man. So nice. Okay, now that the rims are installed, it's time to wash them off real quick. Alright guys, we're switching to the power washer. She's all cleaned up. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the next one.